Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again with an early riser show with coffee and crypto. What's going on, YouTube, Facebook family? Y'all already know what it is. Thirsty Thursdays. How we doing out there? How we doing out there? Let me get this shared out real quick. Also, if you can, please assist me in sharing this video out. Please assist me in sharing this video out. Let me get this. Let this page, this Forbes page, load up real quick. Let me see. Slide this over here behind. I want to cover that story real quick. Where is it? Here we go. This is going to bring some money into the Abyss coin, in my personal opinion. I'm wondering, did anybody make any type of entries on the dip that we recently had? One hell of a dip, might I add. Anybody make any entries? Brother Dennis, what's going on? Brother Hill, Brother Thomas, Grand Rising, everybody. How we doing out there? I see more people checking in on YouTube now versus Facebook, huh? Y'all got to be ready to make that switch over to DTube and DLive and Steam it. I'm gonna be leaving these platforms pretty soon. Brother Kennedy, peace, peace. Eyesight Concepts, Tristan's brother Tristan Ferris, Brother Parks, Grand Rising, everybody. Bitcoin back to 7703. We're 7703 on Bitcoin right now. Who's talking about it? What's going on out here? What's going on out here? Who's talking about it? How we looking? Anybody that's trading, raise that leverage. Miss L, I know you happy. If you're watching right now from the entries we made earlier, Ed, I know you happy right now. That's what's up. That's what's up. Where we at right now? In fact, Miss L, you're actually entering your long target right now. I don't know if you're paying any attention, but you're actually entering your long target right now. You're about to be entering your long target of 244. So be ready to take that. Be ready to take that profit. You know what I'm saying? Be ready to take that off top. You don't want to let that get away from you. Definitely don't let that get away from you. Let me see where we at over here. Give me 1 second, family. Let me set up a couple of my positions real quick. Let me get myself set up. What we at over here? Little money coming back into the market, right? Let's see what's going on real quick. Hold on. Let me get this pulled up for y'all. Let's see exactly what's going on. Let's see. Let's get Live Coin Watch pulled up. Now, pay attention to these prices. I'm about to refresh the screen. Oh, hold on. Running a little slow. I think I got too many. In fact, I probably do. Yeah, I got screens open. Let me close some of this down. Let me close that. Get back over here. Give me 1 second, family. Give me 1 second. Make sure I got everything up over here running. Let's refresh. There we go. 242. Let's go look at Live Coin Watch real quick. Let's see what type for differences we have over the last 24 hours to the last hour. See what type of differences we have real quick. Where else did I have positions? Ethereum Classic. Let's check out Ethereum Classic. See how they're faring off. Okay, good. And profit. Perfect. There we go. All right, let me see. Miss Brown, how we doing? Brother Carter, Brother Tim, Brother Law, what's going on? Miss Stephanie, Grand Rising, Miss Barnes, peace, peace, peace. How we doing, family? Let's see what I got checking in on the YouTube side of things. I was already in, had to get out about to get back in, did not want to liquidate. Peace, God. What's going on, Dan? Yes, sir. You know I brought up some more Raven. Definitely. Dan Britt, appreciate your work. No doubt at all. Like I said, I want to bring the information to the people, man. Let's hurry up and run through this then. I ain't got a lot of time. Oh, let me share this out real quick. Family, if you can, please help assist me in sharing this video out for those watching on YouTube, Facebook. If you can, also like, love, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Let me see. I'm just gonna post a coffee cup. I'm not even gonna go through the whole thing of just taking a screen share and all that. I'm about to just post a quick coffee cup, Coffee and Crypto live right now, Facebook and YouTube. Let everybody know. There we go. All right. Now, we're in the red, though we're on our way back up into the green. If we can keep the momentum going, this may be just a little quick pump, and it may dip back down. In instance, let me see, 77.10. I don't know. He's still rocking and rolling, it seems. Yep, this is Ethereum hitting all points, cracking that higher resistance level. Let me see. Let me check something. EOS. Because I don't want to miss none of this. I don't want to miss entering, exiting positions while I'm live. So let me do this. All positions. Let me see current orders. And I know I had a long in at 250. Let me cancel that. Now, what's our liquidation? 230. We can leave that one open. All right, and I'm back at it. All right. First and foremost, let's go ahead and get to the stories real quick. First story coming in from Forbes. Bitcoin bulls are getting excited, and here's why. I love these stories and what they be telling the people. Bitcoin now hovering around 7,500 after a sterling few months that's seen the Bitcoin price boom has traded sideways over the last couple of weeks. Over a week, as the market processes what's become the new normal. The Bitcoin price has almost doubled so far throughout 2019, and Bitcoin bulls are already looking for the next catalyst to drive the price higher. Now, with the closely watched so-called Bitcoin halving event, where the number of Bitcoins awarded to miners for mining new Bitcoin blocks will drop from 12.5 Bitcoin to 6.25 Bitcoin just under 1 year away, some Bitcoin analysts are predicting a return to Bitcoin's all-time highs could be just around the corner. For those that aren't familiar, Bitcoin is set on a algorithm, whereas it depletes the amount that is awarded to miners that mine the Bitcoin in half every 4 years. It's called the Bitcoin halving. And it splits it in half. So after they do this one to 625, in the next 4 years, they're going to cut it down. What did that be? 312, 5, 3125, I believe, something like that. But it says we're going to hoard Bitcoin at this point in time. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency fund manager Brian Kelly told CNBC, "We're not going to sell it. You generally have a rally a year into a Bitcoin halving and a year out of it. So we're just at the beginning of that stage. A simple supply cut is generally bullish. A Bitcoin halving, there have been two since Bitcoin's creation in 2009, is a fixed event and will occur after every 210,000 blocks are mined or confirmed by the system. Some 12 months after the first Bitcoin halving event in November of 2012, the Bitcoin price reached what was then an all-time high of $1,000. The 2016 halving heralded last year's bull run, which peaked in December 2017, with the Bitcoin price reaching an eye-watering 19,000. Actually, it was closer to 20. Bitcoin bulls and cryptocurrency watchers are hoping that in the bull run up to next year's Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency hodlers or holders will be hoarding Bitcoin in anticipation the squeeze in supply will push up the price. It's just real simple economics, Kelly added. However, a lot has changed since Bitcoin's last halving in 2016. Bitcoin's massive 2017 bull run, which saw the price go from under 1,000 per Bitcoin to almost 20,000 in under 12 months, brought Bitcoin into the investment limelight and to wider public attention. Now, institutional investors are eyeing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Veteran investors who previously dismissive of Bitcoin's long-term worth have come on board, and big tech companies like Facebook and Square are keen to get involved. So it's a little news coming out of Forbes, what they're talking about. We're not really going to go through this story. They're just saying that, oh no, this is one that I wanted to look at, the Dow. The Dow's in a free fall as terrifying 15-year U.S.-China trade war looms. Now, these are for people that are, interested in how the economy bears off, how it's faring in this trade war that's going on. It really has a trickle-down effect that I don't think has hit everybody yet, but it soon will if it continues on. This is why we have to have financial literacy and also a know-how in basic finances and economics. You know what I mean? You can't just be out here just thinking that the world works, whereas you wake up, you start off, you're born, you go to preschool, you go to school, you get out, you go to work, you come home, you watch sitcoms, you go to sleep, you get up, you go to work, come home, watch sitcoms. It turns into whereas you're being trained to operate and work in the form of a robot, and your working is really null and void because you're not getting anything back for it. A lot of individuals are like, oh, well, I get paid. The simple fact is you're not getting paid. All you're getting distributed is debtors notes or paper rectangles, which are a means of exchange for the items within the United States that are already prepaid. You don't own it. You just use paper to exchange for it because it makes you feel good about the exchange that you're doing and it makes the individual that giving it to you feel good for them giving it to you because they think they're getting some of the value out of it. But at the end of the day, it's all a ploy. The American people are used to back up the economy or the United States debt by way of them pledging their labor over in a contract signed, i.e., number one, the Constitution, then your birth certificate locking you into the contract. U.S. Treasury bonds are built on the United States citizens, which are the backing of the debt that is owed. You know what I mean? They pledge its citizens in the bankruptcy of the United States corporation. So when you see the economy crumbling like this, even the amount of work that we're putting into it right now is not going to save it because of how many $1 trillion we are in debt. Because the economy, capitalism, is based off of individuals spending, but not really putting anything of value back into it. You know what I mean? It's a greedy system that we live in. So I was talking to an individual yesterday and we were speaking on 401ks, and I was telling them a lot of individuals don't even know how that 401k works. They think that because you have a job and you invest, or you have that job invest for you, that your 401k, your long-term investment is okay. I don't know if y'all see what's going on with Sears right now, but they're telling the people that they're not paying people their pension. Hold on. Let's see. Sears employees lose pension. Have y'all paid attention to what's going on? A federal agency is preparing to take responsibility for Sears pension plans, which cover more than 90,000 people. The pensions are secured through Sears or through Pension Benefits Guarantee Corp. The big impact if Sears does liquidate is that retirees will lose life insurance. Like, do y'all understand what this stuff is saying? People that have worked there for years, they're like, oh, we're out of money. Oh, well, wash our hands clean. And everything you've invested in or you thought you were investing in is gone to shit. I also give this pictorial just real quick. We'll take a look at JCPenney, for instance, right? This is one I like real good because and mark my words, JCPenney's will be going out of will be filing for bankruptcy soon, just based off the charts from what I see. 94 cents. Oh my God. I was just telling somebody JCPenney's was just selling like $1.30. Pay attention now, family. Let's say you worked at JCPenney's for the last, let's say a family member, maybe not you because your age group. Let's say your parents, mother, father, uncle, cousin worked at JCPenney's for the last 15 years. You know, oh, I got my 401k. JCPenney's has been investing for me over the last yada yada years. You know, I'm backed by the company. It's strong, but they don't know anything about market fluctuation or the economy, right? So let's look at JCPenney's. Let's give it a real view of what we're looking at here. Number one, you got a double top up here, but let's see what happened. Just in 2006, it's only 2019. Just in 2006, right? Well, let's say where were we in 2009? 2009, we're at $34, so it really doesn't matter. In 2007, 2006, JCPenney's was selling at $85 a share. $85 for JCPenney's. Right now, one share. Remember, this is your 401k. Hold on, let me go back and show you. Remember, this is your 401k right here. You trusting JCPenney's to invest your money soundly and safely. You're invested in the company, right? They've got you. They got your back, correct? I just tried to show somebody this not too long ago that they were like, oh, I'm investing in JCPenney's. I try to like get them to understand, like, man, JCPenney's. They're like, oh, well, you know, you really don't know. I guess because I ain't go to school for none of this, people think I don't know what I'm talking about. But I mean, I try to show them these charts, and they're like, oh, that doesn't mean anything to me. I'm like, okay. I mean, if let's just say you had stock, which is what a 401k is roughly, you invest in the company's stock. I mean, JCPenney's was $81, $83. Right now, JCPenney's is literally 93 cents. So from $81.93, what did that do to your 401k? What did that do to your long-term savings? What did that do to your investment? Can anybody tell me that's watching right now? What just happened? Damn. All right, ain't it? Yeah. Well, let's get back to the crypto though. But this is why cryptocurrency is so important right now in this day and age. Let me see. Where do we leave off at? Price dip to 7,200. Don't care. Well, nah, I should have went over that. But yeah, when we look at price action, we're gonna get to that in a minute. Now this is another thing you want to pay attention to. Major Swiss stock exchange SIX developing stablecoin pegged to the franc. Everywhere, they're making coins that are pegged to fiat dollars. Now, why would they be doing this? Why would they be making coins that are pegged to their own dollar or their own fiat or their measurement of currency? Because in a minute, those paper rectangles are going to be useless and worthless, and you're going to have to utilize digital currency, digital transactions. I mean, we do it all day, every day when we use credit cards, debit cards, order something offline. You know, there's no money going anywhere. It's just accounting. It's just checks and balances. It's just a number system. They're just switching numbers from here to there. So if I purchase something from you, the numbers just go from here to there. Nothing actually happens. You know what I mean? But yeah. Also, family, remember I can't see any comments or questions while I'm like going through all this. So I'm gonna come back over there and look at any comments or questions you may have in a minute. I don't want to go over this anyways. I really want to just get to the meat and potatoes. Oh, this right here is something you may want to pay attention to. Company behind Fortnite, Epic Games partners with blockchain gaming platform, The Abyss. Now, at one time when I had the Bitcoin Block Huggers group, Abyss was one of the ICOs that we were going to invest in. But when it came out, they said that the United States was not able to invest in them. When you see news like this, it could put a pump onto the actual currency. See where we're at right now. It's only a penny right now. We're looking at The Abyss once again. It's only a penny. Up 2.10%. Okay, down 0.44% right now in the last 24 hours. If we go and we look at the charts, first let's take a look at the charts. Let's see. Because I think we came from a high of maybe 4 to 7 cent. When news like that comes in, you usually can see a nice pump come into the coin. So you can see where we're at right now, down at the low bottoms. If you're thinking about the markets that houses this coin, you got Index, BitForex, which I do utilize. Now, the one that I want individuals never use HitBTC again. Never use them. Just cross them out of your mind. The one I want people to be knowledgeable about is Kyber Network. Now, why Kyber Network? Kyber Network for the simple fact that you don't have to utilize any one of these exchange markets to use Kyber Network. For those that utilize the Trust Wallet on their mobile device, Kyber Network is actually a built-in DApp if you're using an Android device. If not, all you would have to do is go to, let me show you. For those that got the Trust Wallet, if you open it up, on the iOS, it's not going to say dApps at the bottom. It's going to say browser because you're going to have to go to the browser. Now, when you go into the browser, what you're going to want to type in is kyber.network. So that's KYBER.network. Now, you need a Web3 bridge in order to interact with Kyber Network. So we're going to come over here to Kyber Network, and all you're doing is atomic swaps. So all you're doing is atomic swaps. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Sign in with Facebook. Make it real easy. There we go. And now we're registered. Confirm sign. Man, I should have let them allow. I don't know why I did that. Oh well. I do like to get my notifications. So let's see if we wanted to get the Abyss. There we go. We will go for the Abyss. You can use your DAI dollars within your Trust wallet. $20 to get you 1,950 Abyss right now, or 20 DAI dollars, right? Ooh, hold on. What is that? So right now you're getting the Abyss at 98 cents on the Kyber network. Let's check this out real quick too. Let's see if we can find the best decentralized exchange to buy the Abyss, if there's more than one. Oh, hold on, I didn't want to go to Stellar X. Settle.finance. There we go. We want to look at our DEX. And what we want to do, we want to type in Abyss, and I'm going to see where the best pricing may be at. So let's say we want to buy the Abyss. What was that? 19,000. Let's say we want to buy 5,000 Abyss coins, right? And let's say we want to use Ethereum. Let's find trades. So the best trades is on the Kyber network. After that, IDEX is the best trades. Let's see. If we wanted to buy Binance coin, 5,000 Binance coins with Ethereum, where would the best trades be? Let's see. Why is it not working? Let me see. Okay, so that's for Maker. Ah, okay, I know why. Binance coin you're not going to find on a lot of decentralized exchange markets. Let's see. For basic attention token, your best trades right now are on Ethernex, then Kyber, then Radar Relay, then IDEX and Paradex. Let's see, another token. And these are for my decentralized, my truly decentralized individuals out there. Let's see. Let's look for ZRX. Ethernex has the best price, best trade on Ethernex, then Kyber, then Paradex, then IDEX, then Radar, then Uniswap. So you see how a lot of these tools you can utilize, family, just from the comfort of your home, comfort of the laptop. Let's see. But moving right along. So that I just wanted to put y'all up on it. I'm not going to really go through the story, but just know that they have partnered up. And for those that don't know what Fortnite is, if you got kids, just ask your children. This right here is a major move for the Abyss. Me, myself, and I will be going to obtain some Abyss and just holding it in my personal wallet. I'm not going to go to an exchange market and get it because I don't have to. I can just go right inside my own wallet and grab it on up. So let's get to the meat and potatoes now. Let's get into the top 20 coins, family. Let's get into the top 20 coins. For those that like the information that I'm bringing in the way that I'm, please hit the love button. Also share this. Before we get into the top 20 coins, let's go ahead and do a roll call. Let me see who everyone is checking in, where you're checking in from, and I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna check comments and questions if there are any. Also, if we got any type of coin requests, go ahead and post those now. Any type of coin requests, post those now. I'm gonna come over and we're gonna check, see type of comments, questions we got. Let me see. We got checking in the YouTube world, Brother Senate, Brother Dennis. Hello, Mamus Jr. Contact me. I don't even know who you are. Saying contact me. I don't know who you are. Let's see what we got checking in. Miss Nicole, what's going on? Peace, Queen. It's been a while. Miss Kendra, peace, peace, peace. Miss Diane, Brother Douglas, what's going on? Brother Hassan, peace. Brother Bay, Islam. Brother Trotter, Brother Hutchison. Man, Perry, Miss Agnes, Brother Parks, Brother Tristan, Brother Brian, Mike Lowry, what's going on? Brother Yannick, Brother Joseph, Marlon, what's going on? Hit BTC are dirty, dirty, dirty criminals. Don't use them. How are they still active? Because it's the wild, wild west still. We got Miss Kendria checking in from Baltimore, Maryland. What's going on? IDEX is my favorite. Live Coin is a nice centralized exchange. Deshaun, what's going on? Peace, peace. How's everybody doing out there? Come on, let me get the roll call. Let me see who I got checking in. What city, what state? We got Brother Anthony coming in from Memphis. Mac J, yo, what's going on? Peace, peace, everybody. I just want to see who I got checking in with me, man. See what cities and states we checking in from. For those that may be checking outside the country, let me know what country you're checking in from. I've had in checking from South Africa, Mexico, Honduras. I was about to say San Andreas, but that's a video game, Grand Theft Auto. Oh, no, it's actually a city. What is it, a city? But yeah. Let me see. We got people coming in from Kansas, Dallas, Texas, West Palm Beach, Florida. We got Miss Grimes coming in from California. I guess the people on Facebook don't like roll call. I'm getting a couple. We got 12 viewers, only two cities. 12 viewers in only 2 cities. Facebook, what's going on over there? 12 viewers in only 2 cities. It's not adding up. Mac J coming in from Cali. Peace. All right, so this is what we're about to do. Let's go through the top 20 coins real quick. Let's see. Right now, we got a circulating market cap of $238,075,766,429. We got a 24-hour volume of $27,599,000,000. Well, not now, $595,769,887. BTC dominance is at a high right now, 57.2%. Coming in number 1, we got Big Bank Hank. Coming in number 1, we got Big Bank Hank Bitcoin trading at $7,686. Now, we do want to understand that crypto or Bitcoin is not the most expensive coin. Let me see. Let me show y'all something. Let's look at the price. $42 That's the most expensive coin right now. $18,000. I think this was like an elite coin, if I'm not mistaken. Damn, Smart Bitcoin up there too. Wrapped Bitcoin. Look, over the last 30 days, 41% profits. It's only on Trade Satoshi. Let's go to I forgot what it was about this coin too. It was something specific about this coin. Let me see. It was another one I seen too. Now, when you look at some of these other Bitcoin derivatives or Bitcoin, not I don't call them knockoffs. There we go. So you got 42 coin, you got Bitcoin, you got Wrap Bitcoin. What Wrap Bitcoin is the Ethereum-based Bitcoin that was created for it to go live on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you're utilizing smart contracts or trying to use like a decentralized exchange market that's based with ERC20 tokens, you can't buy with Bitcoin over there. But what you can do is you can wrap your Bitcoin almost like you turn in your. I got a whole like hour long, maybe 2 hour podcast on Wrap Bitcoin and a video if I'm not mistaken. Go check it out. But it basically is the Ethereum version of Bitcoin for you to operate on the Ethereum platform. Now, this is interesting. Smart Bitcoin. I'll see the sigil they got right now. RBTC. Let me see. Primal base is up there at $6,000. Come on. 36% over the last 7 days. Hubby Global, KuCoin. Okay, they on KuCoin. Bitfinex, and Coinbean. And this is Smart Bitcoin. Let me see. Interesting. Laying the foundation for the creation of the Internet of Value. RS the most working in the world here by the Bitcoin network and improve the quality of life for millions. Interesting. RSK is the first open source smart contract platform secured by the Bitcoin network. RSK adds value and expands functionality to the Bitcoin ecosystem by providing smart contracts and greater scalability. Since 2009, okay, yeah, so this is something I'm definitely going to be looking into. It's available on KuCoin too. Building technology. If this thing can lead, what is it's RBTC. Let me see something real quick. That's RBTC. Look at dollar value. I want to see what it's been doing versus Bitcoin or versus the dollar versus Bitcoin. Trending Ergo, Tron, Matic. All right, we'll take a look at Doge. Can y'all still see me? Everything's still visible? Oh, wow. I don't know. We're connected. Let me know if y'all can see me. Okay, we got California, South Carolina. Well, I don't even know if y'all can hear me or see me. Can y'all? I'm breaking up. Damn. I don't know why it does this. Facebook, YouTube, can y'all see me? Am I clear? Am I clear right now? Maybe blocked. Yeah, they said I'm breaking up bad. Sounds choppy. Keep talking. I can see your screen in here. Sounds choppy. Yo, 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 yo. What about you, YouTube? Am I clear over there or is it choppy? Choppy in and out. Choppy in and out. Damn. I'm trying to, you're clear here, choppy on Facebook. All right, Miss Agnes, just go tell everybody to come over to YouTube. I'll let it still record on Facebook. Due to poor wireless connection, your video has been paused. Consider moving to a better signal. I don't know what you mean, a better signal. I'm good now. I see other Bitcoin forks doing the exact same thing in the next 3 to 5 years. I got my picks. For the moment, I'm clear. Facebook on point. Just got good on the audio. Okay, if we good on the audio and good on the video, then let's go ahead and go. What we're looking at right now is that risk Bitcoin. I'm just looking at it compared to what Bitcoin did. Man, this thing, yeah, pretty much the same exact moves. Pretty much the same exact moves. Now, let's look at it versus Bitcoin. Wow, it's weird. It stays. It uses Bitcoin almost as a stable coin. I don't know if you see that. It's almost like a stability versus Bitcoin. Let me see. Circulating is let me see. So they don't have the information here. Let's see what's going on. Oh, we got it already. Let me see. Request for demo. All right, the smart Bitcoin is linked one-to-one to Bitcoin. So it's a stable coin for Bitcoin and can be converted into a decentralized manner to and from Bitcoin through the so-called Bitcoin Bridge Mechanism, RSK, which links the Bitcoin protocols in RSK. At RSK, the smart Bitcoin is linked one-to-one with Bitcoin. Okay, we said that already. Wallets, Jax. Okay, the Trezor, Ledger, my crypto, my Ether wallet. This is the ERC20. Bitfinex, Bitso, Hubby, Bitbulls. It's the most secure smart contract. Blah 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 blah. Okay, but how many coins, y'all? With it being, interesting. This is just a smart contract. There is no set number of coins with this. I don't believe. It's pegged one-to-one. I don't think there's no set number. I'm gonna have to do a lot more research on it. I'm gonna have to do a lot more research on it. Let's check out 42. I think 42 does only have 42 coins on existence. One of these coins was like $100,000 at one point. Yeah, see, it's only 41 circulating coins. Only 41. Where do we get these at? Oh, hold on. That ain't what I tried to go to. Trade Satoshi. 42. Trade Satoshi. That's the only place for it. We added to altmarkets.x. Let me see. It's now available on Bitcoin Garden. Up 42% in the last 30 days, though. Which one are we looking for? The answer to life, the universe, and everything. Specifications: max money, 42 coins. 7 minutes is proof of stake. Block reward is 0.00. 42 coin is a cryptocurrency with completed mission, fair distribution, and private and public transaction support. The maximum supply of 42 coins makes the remaining 41.99 extremely rare. The innovative deflationary model provides a constant rise in the incentives both for miners and long-term investors. 42 coin delivers a hybrid of proof of work and proof of stake transaction confirmed methods and represents a new way of securing the network against 51% attacks. So it's fair distribution. 42 has no pre-mining or instant mining, has never been sold via an ICO. All 42 coins are mined. Current block reward is 0. Deflationary, the first coin with real deflation working on protocol level. 42 development is transparent, not only in code, but in all expensive. Safe investments. No new coins are minted. No one exert constant pressure on the price. 42 will go into history as the cryptocurrency with the highest face value. I mean, shit, it's $18,000 right now. Let me see. Get the wallet. Download the wallet. What do we have? Android. I'm gonna download the Android wallet myself. And we got to get it on Trade Satoshi. Let me see. Can we get on and off Trade Satoshi? Let's see. Let me see. That's 42. Real quick. Let's go back to. Let's see. Let me see. Damn, you can't even look at 42 coin. Okay. Let's slide over to Trade Satoshi real quick. Get that up. Hey, it's due diligence like this that pays off in the long run. Always remember the weekend's coming up too, family. The weekend's coming up. Welcome to Satoshi, the triple currency exchange. I wonder if I got a let me see. Let's look at the market real quick. I'll register later on. Right now, the only thing I'm interested in is 42 coin. There we go. Let's look at it versus USDT. Can't buy it versus USDT, huh? You can buy it versus Doge. You can buy it versus Ethereum. You can buy it versus Litecoin. $2.3 up to 3 Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. About some they're buying at 2.7. So that's the spread, 2.5 Bitcoin to 2.7 Bitcoin, which is really one hell of a spread. And this ain't nothing that you should want to go out and buy right now. I got a nice 100x going from 76.20, and I'm deciding if I should go to sleep. Wait, where are we trading at right now? 77.22. Okay, I need to go raise all my leverages then. Let's go ahead and get through this countdown. Let me finish this countdown so I can go ahead and get on. Where is Live Coin Watch? Okay, everyone says that I'm clear now. Perfect. Am I still clear over here on Facebook? That's weird. I never got a notification for YouTube. I always get one, but not today. There you go. You're breaking up again. I was gonna run through the top 20 real quick because I'm breaking up. Ethereum's at 240 right now, down 4.2 in the last 24, up 1.10%. Ripple's 37 cents, down 4.9, up 0.3%. Bitcoin Cash down 20, up 1.6%. Litecoin down 0.3, up 4.4%. 57 down 0.5 in the last 24, up 1 in the last hour. Bitcoin $31.69% within the last 24, up 2% within the last hour. Tether, United States dollar, Tether, which is a cryptocurrency equivalent to the United States dollar, 98 cents. Stellar right now at 12 cents, down 5%, up 0.1%. Cardano is down points, trading at 7. Tron right now is at 2 cents, down 6%, up 0.8%. Bitcoin SV is at $100 right now, holding its gains. I will give it that. Bitcoin SV has been holding its gains, down 0.8%, up 1%. Monero $83, down 7%, up 0. Dash $146, down 5.7, up 1%. IO down 6. Cosmos trading at down 4.5, up 0.1%. Goes down 1.5, up 4%, trading at $1.56. Told y'all about Tezos. Ethereum Classic right now, 6,080, down 5, up 2. It was 11.23.94. Is 7 cents, down 7.1% within the last 24 hours. So that is your top 20 coins in the coin market cap. Let's real quick, just take a look at the biggest losers. Bitcoin Network is down. Core SPN. And what SPN? Never heard of it. Sports Micro Games is all right. Let me go ahead and fix this. That's why. There we go. There we go. So Monero, OMG, Neem, Qtum, IOTA, Basic Attention Token, DGD, Bitcoin Gold, Tron, Dash, Ethereum Classic. Those are your top losers. Top gainers right now, Matic still running. Shit, 27%. Holo, 6%. Loopring, Crow, Crypto.com, Elastos, Loom, Vest, MageSafe, Elf. Crypto.com again, Popular, Steam, BitTorrent, Nodes, Paxos, Standard. Family, there's your top 20 coins. Don't sleep on Waves. I've told you that plenty of times. Don't sleep on Decentraland either. I got class today, chart reading class for anybody that's interested. Chart reading workshop. It's a 2-hour workshop. It starts at 7, ends at 9 p.m. Central Time. For anyone that's interested, email me at Cryptonomic Console, CryptonomicConsul@gmail.com. It is a $50 donation for the workshop. For those that are following on Facebook and Instagram, you can just inbox or DM me. Until the next, let me see. Yeah, I gotta hurry up and go. I'll probably try to come back midday and do some type of coin request. I don't have the time right now. I do apologize, family. I do apologize. Until the next video, this is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler, Bitcoin Block Bully. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.